Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we're here with Lori Kordowich again today.
Hi.
So Lori, take it away.
Well, we're still doing the Real 30 challenge here in the month of January. 30 days, move for 30 minutes every day, and over the course of a week, eat at least 30 whole, real plants. And we thought after doing the 30 plant, 40, 50 plant betterboard, it would be fun to talk about Ann and the amount of plants that you eat on a regular basis. You know, our audiences are all smitten with your savory oats.
Your witch's brew.
I think you broke the internet. How many plants are in that? Do you think you know?
Let's count.
Maybe 12-ish. Maybe 13.
Let's list them quickly. Oats, kale,
nutritional yeast, kale, shiitake mushrooms, artichoke hearts, turmeric, ginger,
Black cumin.
Sriracha.
Oh, sriracha. A little bit of sriracha. And then amla,
Black cumin.
black cumin, black
So that's chia seeds.
chia, and
Oh, and flax.
flax.
There's 12.
Yeah, and when I have my mom's
And
witch's-
black sesame seeds.
Oh, no way!
Yes.
Taylor Swift, 13.
Black, you know, the more black you can get in, the better, really.
Yes, because it's more phytochemicals. And I used to make fun of my mom's cereal, and we called it witch's brew. We would laugh at her. We'd like think, "Oh, you're cooking the compost bucket," and just got such grief. But now I make it, and to all that, I add. I know you're going to cringe. I hate it even confessing it. I add garam masala and a mixture of cumin and coriander, which is our friend Koyan taught us about that blend in India, which is so good, and pickled ginger and blueberries after it's cooked.
Ooh.
You know, we share the same palate, but I don't even know if I could taste that.
You will love it.
Well, and the good thing about Real 30 is that it's not just fruits and vegetables and legumes and leafy greens and whole grains. It's also nuts and seeds and herbs and spices. They all count.
Which is so nice.
Yes.
So I had like 18 at breakfast. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So what are we doing today with you?
I'm going to show you what we have every night of this salad. And
Wait, I mean, she means seriously every night. If you broke open one of her limbs, out would pour this salad and that dressing to go with it.
and this happens to be an organic spring mix from our grocery store, Heinen's. And I am going to put into, this is the salad bowl that I use just for two, and in it I will put a nice handful of this. Jane, do you have some scissors?
Yes, Mommy, but can you count the greens in there? Like, what are we looking at?
We counted them. There are 15 greens in this blend alone.
And I like...
Wait, can we hear the 15 greens? Can you read it? Can you see it?
They're all organic. Lola Rosa, Frise, Red Tango, Green Shard, Red Radicchio, Red Leaf, Red Oak, Green Oak, Spinach, Mizuna, Kale, and Arugula. It's 15 different greens. So when people say, oh my gosh, Real 30 is too hard, in one salad, your base alone has 15. Can you get to 30 with one salad, Ann? I can't wait to see.
Well, I can eventually. I'm going to add, this is just because this is what I add every night, because I don't know how much, arugula is really powerful, and I don't know how much is in that salad. So
you know what they call arugula in the UK? I love it. They call it rocket. I would eat so much more as a kid if I knew it was called rocket.
Truly.
Now,
Here
here are three different peppers. I get these nice little peppers, and what I like so much about them is you can just cut all of them so quickly. It takes no time. I might do one, I might do three, I might do two, but I always put some kind of a little pepper in. So right here is 3 little peppers. And when I hate to lose anything, so when I can no longer do it that way, I go around the core and I get everything. Everything. Even, you know, why not eat the seeds?
I do. I was about to say, and what I do at the end is I do this. I love them that much.
Really?
Uh-huh.
But there's a stem. Do you eat the stem?
If it's big, no, but that was small, I did. I do. Okay, now you can't talk if you're eating that.
Is it good?
I love, these are such...
Well, then here is a radish. I just get a whole lot of radishes, put them in water, and I have 1 radish in our salad every night, cut up. And they're so pretty. Look at that.
19. 19 already.
And then I got a little Persian cucumber. Love them. And I just cut these up into little pieces, little rounds.
I like them because they're not too wet. They're kind of a...
The only problem with
crisp.
them is you have to make sure you eat them fast because they're bad. They do better in the top part of the refrigerator.
20.
So
Oh my gosh, 20.
this for sure, this much I have every night. Oh, and then I will put in tomatoes. I just have these all cut up, and this is 3 different kinds of tomatoes. How many is that?
23.
23.
You're going to crush
Then-
this.
Oh, I put whatever's left over too. Now this wouldn't necessarily be every night, but I have these little bits of potato from something I was making.
They look like melon balls of potato.
Little melon
Like
balls
really
of
pale,
potato.
sickly melon balls.
And
24.
here is, green onions. I always like to put some kind of onion in. So here are green onions.
25. It's looking good.
And then here is a little bit of parsley.
26.
Wait a minute.
Decisions.
What am I going to do next?
Celery.
A little bit of carrots. This is white carrots, believe it or not. I happen to have some
7
left over.
to 28. But the truth is 28. Yeah.
And
And then there's this kind of carrot.
I'm stopping there because my favorite things to put in the salad, does anybody know what it is? It's grapes cut in half. And there are 2 kinds of grapes, red and green.
29 and 30. You've crushed it. Well done.
Ooh. Now, that's just the beginning because I have to make the salad dressing. And by that, I'm going to have a whole lot more, aren't I? So I'm going to start my salad dressing with some hummus.
And hummus itself is made up of, Laura, you said before, it was
4.
chickpeas, garlic, lemon, and
Tahini.
tahini.
Sesame seed that counts as another seed. So there's 4 more. So we're
And
at 34.
Oh, did I tell you? Oh, yes. Here is chopped fresh ginger. I always put chopped fresh ginger in. Then I always put in turmeric wherever I can. So here is some turmeric. And then, this is crazy. I often put an orange in the pieces and squeeze the juice, or I get fresh squeezed orange juice. But I discovered this at Whole Foods, which is a blend of orange, carrot, ginger, turmeric, and lemon. So it's not.
We're at 41 with that.
So here I go putting this in,
Wow. So colorful.
and then I'm going to put in a little bit of mustard. This happens to be the Westbury stone ground, no salt added mustard. And I'm going to put in a little squeeze of that. And then, my favorite, which is the balsamic vinegar. And this, I love balsamic vinegars. You can have every flavor in the world. This happens to be black currant. This is the black currant. And so I'm going to put this in to taste. And when it,
Talking about witch's brew, man, that looks so
Jane,
beautifully powerful, magical.
this is absolutely unbelievably delicious. And I just need to make sure that it's,
Oh, you're. Is it good?
of course it's good.
Of course, that's good.
Yes.
But the cool thing is you do it in a jar and you can shake the jar,
You're getting it everywhere.
save it, lick it, and put it in.
Wow. Your hummus did not get stirred up that well.
No, it's okay. Oh, my hummus. Well, that's good. It's
Or maybe
all right.
maybe it was your mustard.
No,
we-
that,
we were-
that was my ginger.
I don't think you shook it up as much as you usually do because it was leaking.
Oh my gosh. You really eat this every night, Ann?
Every night.
Every night.
We split it.
So you and Essie sit down to this and then have dinner beyond this.
Yeah.
There's
And now wait, if you wanted to stop with this, I would add a can of any kind of beans. You could add mushrooms.
The dressing is really actually amazing.
That's it.
Amazing.
Wait, what's the number?
Well, I think we got to 40 with all of that. And like you started with the greens, there was 15 right out of the gate. What you normally eat, you were already at 30 with the dressing. This is an absolute, crushing salad for the challenge.
It's so interesting how 30 a week
It seems puny.
Well, no, it
compared to
seems
what's
so,
possible.
it seems so doable.
Yes.
If you just look at what you actually eat, like even people who eat burritos.
Yeah.
If you're not just having a meat and a cheese kind of thing in there, but if you're having even like a corn salsa, I bet has corn and onions and a lime and some other pepper or something in there. So you're getting 5 if you have salsa. I mean, salsa is a wonderful way, but salad is a tremendous way, as you just showed. That's really impressive.
And paired with your morning meal, which has artichoke hearts and all different plants than this, you may be trending on 50 or 60 plants a day pretty easily.
And when you eat, every bite of salad needs a grape.
Yes.
So good.
I love it.
Yes. And
Lori, that was fun. Thank you.
Thanks for showing us it's completely
thank
possible.
you. Yeah.
It's not too late if people want to join the Real 30 Challenge. It's all of January and beyond. Simply, visit the show notes or head over to plantstrong.com. Just remember, it's 30 days of moving for 30 minutes. What was your 30 minutes today? Have you moved today? Have you moved yet?
Yeah, this morning I took the dog for a walk up and down our street, which is about a 30-minute walk.
It's cold outside today.
And I went up and down our street and halfway up our street, which is about half a mile in a little run. And then I did 15 minutes of strength training.
I think shoveling snow needs to be counted. On the east side of Cleveland, we get so much snow.
It's vigorous.
Oh,
my gosh.
it's total core. Anyway, so I think this is a wonderful challenge, and I think it keeps us honest on some days, and it keeps us motivated for other days, and I think it's so interestingly doable.
Anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Lori.
Lori. This has been so fun to do. Oh,
Just
throwing in more plants. All right. Let us know what you're doing, what you're tracking on. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.